Hey everyone, welcome back to Webwave Creations. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the endless list of programming languages out there, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking it down to help you choose the easiest coding language to start with. Let's dive right in. 1. First up, we have HTML Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the foundation of web development and the simplest language to start with. It's used to structure the content of a website, like headings, paragraphs, and links. If you're curious about front-end development, I've made a video on that too, so be sure to check it out. 2. Next on our list is JavaScript. This language is essential for adding interactivity to websites. With JavaScript, you can create dynamic content and handle user interactions. It's a core component of web development and, while slightly more complex than HTML, it's still a great choice for beginners looking to enhance their web projects. 3. Moving on to Python. This language is renowned for its readability and simplicity, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Python is incredibly versatile. You can use it for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Many people find Python to be their first language because it's straightforward and powerful. 4. Up next is C. Often introduced in the first year of college, C is a foundational language that teaches you a lot about how computers work. It's a bit more challenging than HTML and JavaScript, but it's incredibly valuable for understanding programming concepts and for systems programming. 5. And finally, we have Java. Java is a strong choice if you're interested in app development, especially for Android. It's a bit more complex, but highly effective for building robust applications. Java is a great language to learn if you're serious about developing your skills further. So there you have it. A quick rundown of some of the easiest languages to start with. HTML and JavaScript are great for web development beginners. Python is perfect for general programming. C gives you a solid foundation. And Java is ideal for app development. Remember, the best language to start with is the one that aligns with your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.